Before the summer is over, we want to make the most of summer peaches. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. I found this cake in my mother's Cucina Italiana collection, and I have made it every summer since. It is a summer version of my Italian apple cake, an easy cake with plenty of peaches I can serve for dessert, but also for breakfast or for an afternoon snack. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Start by greasing your cake pan. Put your butter at room temperature in a bowl with the sugar and whip them together until pale and fluffy. Add the egg one at a time and let each one blend in completely before you add the next. Grate in the zest of 1 lemon. Then fold in the flour, sifted with the baking powder, just until the batter is smooth. Peel your peaches, cut them in half and slide them into wedges. I like to use yellow peaches, but white peaches will do as well. Lay some peaches wedges at the bottom of the pan. Pour the batter over them. Smooth the top, then arrange the rest on top and gently press them into the batter with a spatula. Bake at 180 centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. It is ready when a wooden toothpick comes out clean from the center. Wait 10 minutes before turning it out into a serving dish and let it cool down. If you want a shiny top, brush the peaches with the cake glaze. If the peaches sink in, there is not much left on the surface, you can skip it. Serve it at room temperature or cold straight from the fridge. I like it with Greek yogurt or a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and it's a good way to get the children to eat their fruit. For more Italian cake recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. Tomorrow, I will make it with pears.